Hello colleagues, you're welcome to lesson 14. In this lesson we're going to learn how to use the URL module, that's Uniform Resource Locator. So let's assume you've gone to Google and you're looking for a concept, teaching PDF, and you've read one of the links and you realize that it's good for your learners and you don't want to download it. So in this case, okay, it's loading, so go back to the course that you are creating, and this should be at the presentation stage because you want to give out a resource to or for learners to read. So you go to the add an activity or resource, and this is a resource, so we're going to look at the URL module. Add, and let me see whether the document has loaded. Okay, so this is a document you want to make available for your learners, so you might have read it. It's just like the one that we went through with the YouTube. You need to watch the video before you make it available for your learners. So I'll go back to the course. What will the learner see and click on? The name. So I'm going to type teaching, and if you have some description about this document, you put it here. And if you want it to display it on the course page, then you take this. These are some of the things that you've done already. So I go to the document, highlight the URL, copy it, Ctrl+C or right click, go back to the course, now paste it here. That's external. Then how do you want it to appear? Display automatically, that's automatic. In this case, when the learner clicks on the on teaching, it will take him or her to a page that there will be a link and he or she will click. We have embed. If the browser supports embedding, you can open, meaning to open in the same window that you are using. Then in pop-up, it will open in a new window but with no menus. So let's assume I pick open. Then we have URL variables. This we don't need it here, it's for some internal model variables. So if you are done, you click on save and return to course. So what happens is, let me just close this so that it will not be like this is the one that we still viewing. So I'll go back to the course and check whether how it will check whether it will work. So this is the link that the learner will see. This is not a file sitting down on your desktop or on a pen drive, so you need internet connectivity to view it. So if the learner clicks on this, because we've selected open, it's going to open in this same window, and after reading, the learner can use the go back one page. So this is the document that you have used the URL module to include it in your course where. So if the learner clicks on the back button, it takes him or her back to the course. I hope you practice this and make some headway. Thank you.